How to set the side button. Double press to open Samsung Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Side Button. Then at the top, tap on Double Press. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung Note. Now tap on the settings icon on the left hand side, and at the top, make sure you select Open Samsung Notes. Now if you double press on the side button, this will allow you to quickly open up Samsung Notes. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is how you can set the side button to open Samsung Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra.